Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Chris Vlog. So for today's video, we are here again for another review for this application called Amar application. So ang earnings dito guys is you're going to reply sa messages. Bawat messages is equivalent of 1.2 diamond. So here we go. Here pwede kang mag-post ng mga moments mo. Then dito naman ito yung messages. Okay, ito yung mga reply. Hello, so I'm going to. Meron na din siyang message dito, pwede mo siyang pindutin kung napapagod ka mag-type. So, andito din yung party, pwede kang mag-party dyan. Ayan, started ka na mag-party. Tapos dito yung live streaming, you can go live streaming here. Ang earnings dito, may calling din siya. 45 kasi sa akin mababa pa lang yung level ko. Second cash out ko pa lang dito. So 45 diamond lang per minute yung na-earn ko. Pero kung ano talaga, kung tutok ka dito, mag-reply ng mga messages, marami naman siyang messages na papasok. Pero you can try it on for yourself kung gusto mo. So dito tayo sa income. As you can see, meron akong 1,000 diamonds. Equivalent siya ng $10, 10 USD. So, dito yung diamond details. Ito yung mga reply, mga message, 1.20 diamond. Ito yung consume diamond. Ito yung una kong withdraw, 0.5 USD. So, ngayon magwi-withdraw ulit ako ng 10 USD yarn. A-Pay. Type natin dito yung email address natin sa ePay. Done. Then confirm. Are you sure your account is only 16 within 30 days? Okay, confirm. So, ayan. 0.5 yung withdrawal fee. Ayan, 9.05 yung matatanggap natin. Confirm. Back to wallet. Application submitted. Back to wallet. Meron tayong natira na 1.7 diamond. So, come back here. So, maghihintay tayo ngayon kung kailan yun papasok. Pero the last time na nag-withdraw ako, saglit lang siya, mga ilang minutes lang nandyan na. So, if you want to try this application, I can put sa description yung link natin. You can do and try to work para maka-earn ng free money. Thank you. So, ayan is 9:35 na nare-receive na natin yung ating withdraw. So, punta tayo sa transaction. Then, ayan. Receive. Yan yung na-receive natin. 9.5. Then, 8:12 tayo nag-withdraw. So, 9:35 dumating. So, it means na yung application is legit siya na kumikita ka talaga ng libreng pira. So, dalawa na yung nag-withdraw ko. 0.47 and 9.05. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.